Hey YouTube, what's going on? This is Ghost, and today I'm going to be doing commentaries for Army of MG's guns. So let's get started. I'm going to show you all the pieces real quick. First of all, you need these two, the bottom of the gun. Can't see these, but all those screws, and of course the body of the gun, the weights, and you'll need 3 screwdrivers. Alright, let's get started. Alright, first thing you want to do is you're going to want to take this, the main piece of the gun, and take this little piece right here, which is the button to release the ammo. So take your smallest screw, your smallest spring. There's this one, and there's this one. You can tell a slight difference. One's bigger, but take the longer one and go ahead and put it in the hole there, and then just slide it right into there. Make sure it's pointing up like that. Alright, next piece, you're going to want these 3 right here. This one, and this spring, and this piece right here. Okay, this piece you're going to take, and you're going to slide this end into that slot, and then take this little screw thing right here, this little pin, and push it through that little hole right there, and it should stay into place. That's your safety on and off. It should move. Alright, next thing, you're going to want to take this right here, push this in here. Let me get closer for you guys. Yeah, there we go. Alright, and then take this piece and set it underneath the second one right here. And then there you go. And then place the spring in there. And there you go. You got that down. And now, when this moves up, you should lock it into place so it can't move. And then that goes down, and it should be able to move. Alright. Alright, next we're going to be installing the trigger. The easiest part, all you do is slip it into there. Done. And now we're going to do this piece, okay? What you're going to want to do is you're going to take this, take these there's 2 of these long black screws, slip it into there. Go ahead and screw those in. Tighten them all the way down once you get that one. And same thing. Okay, alright, that was it. Now, the next part is going to be a little bit easier. You're going to want to take this part and just slip it onto here and just let it relax right there. Should slide in and out of that area. Alright, after all that, you're going to want to grab these pieces, the 2 square weights, rectangle, whatever, and slip one into here, right on the base of the gun, and then one right here, right below the screws you screwed in previously. Alright, next you're going to want to screw this on. Take it, and you got to line up this perfectly. Okay, And you might notice that when you push this button, it doesn't go in. That's because it's not lined up in there. So just take a screwdriver and just push it around until it goes in. Alright, next is this piece right here. Make sure you have this inside piece, make sure it's in there, and you're going to want to put it like this and like that. But there is a spring that you need. It's this one right here. You're going to want to take it, put it in there, do all this real quick. Just like that. Everything's snug, so that when that happens, it pops back and it stays. Make sure it stays just like that. Okay? Alright, now you're going to want to put all the screws in. You're going to want to put one here, which I already got in. Make sure that it fits snug. Holds the gun together just so you know it's not falling apart on you. You want to do that first. And then you're going to want to take the longest screw you possibly have and put it into here. Right there. The end of the gun. And tighten that one down. That holds the bottom of the gun together for you. Just like that. If it doesn't go all the way through, oh well, it's good. Okay. Alright, next screws are gonna go right here and right here. So one there and one right here. Go ahead and screw those down. Okay, and after those are down, okay, the next part we're going to be doing is we're going to be putting this on, but you're going to need this first. Just slide it onto there. This way, when you pull it back, it'll shoot back forward. So put that on, and then you can either do this in two pieces or you can do it in one. Two pieces is a lot harder than just one, so just slide it on. You're going to have to adjust a little bit. Fit that in there, pinch that together, and there you go. Got all that together. Alright, now next we're gonna have to put a screw right there to hold everything together. Alright, so take one of your screws, go ahead and put it in there. Make adjustments. This way it holds it together so it's not falling apart on you. Shoots and everything. Now you can put these pieces on. This one goes on this side. Just kidding. It goes on this side. Gotta line it up correctly. And then just push on till you hear it snap into place. And same thing with this side. Like that. Okay, next is this piece. Now, you see how there's a little indent? Put the same indent. Make sure it's on the same side. Push it into place. There you go. Now you got that. Now, add the mag, and you're ready.